amigos, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's video I'm going to be unboxing these My Hero Academia x Hello Kitty and Friends pop figures. I was really excited when they released these because I'm a huge Sanrio fan and I really love My Hero Academia the anime. So when me and my twin sister saw these, we had to get them. We got these two in Burbank at a candy store. And then we got the Pochako one at Frank & Sons. And then these three we got on a website called Very Neko. And they were $12 when I got them, but I checked today and they're $10 on their website, so I'll put a link for you guys. These were $10 and this one I paid $15. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna open them for you guys. I think I'm gonna start with Hello Kitty, because if we go in order, this is the first one. This is $7.91, then $92, $3, $4, $5, and $6. So I'm gonna start with Hello Kitty. So this is her box. On the side it says Hello Kitty All Might, $7.91. In the front there's a little window so you can see the figure, but we'll open it right now. And in the back it shows the whole collection, which we have right here. So there's Hello Kitty as All Might, Pochako as Deku, Batsumaru as Bakugo, My Melody as Ochako or Uraraka, and Tuxedo Sam as Todoroki, and then last is Kuropi as Suyu, or Froppy I like to call her. And yeah, so that's the whole collection. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one for you guys. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's so super cute, and this is the Hello Kitty as All Might. So she has his little outfit on, his superhero outfit. And that is so cute. I'm so happy with this one. And I love the big eyes and like the big head. It's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down. And the next one we'll open is $7.92, and that is Pochako as Deku. So this is the Pochako as Deku. Has his little costume on, which is so cute. And I'm really happy about this one. I was looking for this one. I'm really happy that I found it because it's like so cute. And this is my twin sister's favorite character. My twin sister Kitty loves Deku. So next one that we'll open is $7.93, which is oops, this one I'm having trouble standing. Okay, which is Batsumaru as Bakugo, and Bakugo is my favorite character from this anime. So here's Batsumaru as Bakugo. He has Bakugo's little uniform with the grenade launchers there. And he has hair like his. That's so cute. This one's adorable. Next one I'm going to open is $7.94, and that's My Melody as Uraraka. This is the box. So cute. And I think this is probably the cutest one. And My Melody's my twin sister's favorite, so I know she loves this one. This one is My Melody as Uraraka. So cute, look at My Melody's little tail. She has a costume, the helmet and everything. This is so cute, I really love this one. Next one we're going to open is $7.95, which is Tuxedo Sam as Todoroki. And this is my twin sister's other favorite hero. These are her two favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. So this is the Tuxedo Sam as Todoroki. He's so cute. He has a little half and half bow. That's adorable. And the last one we're going to open is Kuropi as, I think that's Suyu, but I like to just call her Froppy. So this one is Kuropi as Froppy. I love how boxes have like a little face at the top for everyone. I think that's so adorable. So this one has Kuropi's eyes right there. It's so cute. So this is the Kuropi one. I think it's so cute. I love the little pink blush. The little outfit. This one's adorable. So cute. My twin and I don't collect pop figures, so we didn't know about this release until we were together at the Burbank Mall like a few months ago, and we saw these at a candy store, and she got this one and I got this one. And then we went to Frankenstein's, which is this like trade show, and we found this one, and we saw they had so many different types of pop figures, like hundreds of them, and there was a lot that we liked, and it kind of got us excited and kind of like made us want to start collecting them. So we got this one there, and then later I got these three. But if you guys collect pop figures, let us know down below which kind you collect and what you know about them, because we're like really new to it. But we saw a lot of cute ones, so I think we're going to try to collect some. So if you know anything about it, let us know down below in the comments. And also, if you like My Hero Academia, if you watch that anime, let us know below who your favorite character is, and if you think you would be buying any of these. If so, which one do you like the most? Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all for today's video. Thank you for the love and support. Don't forget to follow, and see you guys in the next one.